So a little bit later this morning, we're going over to Virgin Gorda, and we're going to the bath. Okay, we're in Tortola. We just got off of the ship.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go get on our ferry or whatever we're riding over to Virgin Gorda, where we're gonna go explore the bath. So come along with us. We'll check it out. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. It's pretty overcast. It's supposed to get a little bit of rain. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get lucky and not have any. We're coming ashore at Virgin Gorda.
Hello. I have to pay attention to my feet.
You ordered painkillers? Yeah.
Okay, our water taxi brought us here to we're at Limerick Bay, and we're having a buffet before we do our land tour. Very chicken's awesome, very tasty. Everything is really good. The hot stuff is really hot, and the cold stuff's nice and cold. And we got our complimentary beverage.
Some sort of rum punch.
Yeah, rum punch. We'll get back to you after we eat. We're at Limerick Bay. We're going to be here about an hour. This is the first spot that they dropped us off when we came over here to Virgin Gorda. And we had lunch here. We did a buffet. Shortly we'll be getting on some vehicles and we'll start our land tour. We'll give a little pan of the area. They had welcoming drinks here. They had some rum punch for us when we first got here. And this whole area was ours to use for the time that we're here. So here we got where they had the buffet set up. The food was delicious. And we could have used the pool if you wanted. Most people aren't getting in the water. People are just more or less sitting around, relaxing. Over here. Yeah, right here.
Oh no. Oh, I see. I had my knee done.
Understand?
Do that one here.
I'll go do
Yeah.
this one, yeah.
You there? You want me to goose you?
Yeah. I'm surprised.
There we go.
Wow. That's cool.
We should get together on a ship.
Wow. It's a pirate ship.
Yeah, arr, get the rum. All right, somebody's got to get out and push.
One person too heavy, I know who's getting
Somebody volunteer.
volunteer.
Is it this name? Yeah.
Whoop. Oh, we'll get it this way. Maybe. Oh, now I'm in the trees.
There's an opening coming up. Yeah.
That's amazing.
That is amazing. Wow. Here's our spot. We're stopping.
Cool.
Oh, he's going. That's okay. Just do it. He's okay, I guess we're done. We're done. Oh my god.
You're okay. You're not.
Okay. Just push me, seriously.
Alright, we go missing. I'm gonna be at that beach.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, good afternoon, folks. Two things are on our way. Kalanja is here with us, so he's going to lead the way for you guys. I'm going to wait for the others. When you come back from the beach, under the tent right there is where you get your refreshments. Wash, wash what you need to use. Alright? below there. If you guys want to grab a token to surprise someone, hey, I don't care. Right? We're going down to Devil's Bay. Please watch what you go on to. There's a lot of cactus along the way. Alright? Bad news for the day. We have a red flag flying, and red flag meaning no swimming. So the only option I could give you is to go on in front of the cave. There's a small area there. You guys can get your body wet if you are interested. Alright? I will tell Kalanja to do that for you guys. Alright? So you go down to Devil's Bay, take a picture, see what you like, then you move on and get your body wet. Alright? We leave the beach today at 2:45. Question of the day is who have back in surgery and can't do long hiking, claustrophobic, let us know now. Good? Right. Going this way, get down to Devil's Bay.